Festival season has commenced in full swing with Ganesh Chaturthi being the latest one. The upcoming months are packed with a host of festivals such as Karva Chauth, Navratri, Diwali, and Christmas among others. Amidst these festivals, the demand for consumer products is generally high. Currently, various catalysts have triggered renewed excitement in the air during these festivals. That said, a list of 6 stocks can be added to your portfolio as an investment option. These stocks are Axis Securities Festival Demand Picks. Earlier this week, in its report, Axis Securities said, "Festivals are times that bring life to a state of enthusiasm, creating mind space and good vibes among all of us and making the overall environment conducive for the demand generation, especially for the consumer products in the economy." After witnessing 2 muted years which were impacted due to intermittent COVID-19 disruptions, the spirit of celebration is finally back to its pre-COVID levels. This year, the excitement seems to have reinvigorated and economic activities are picking up momentum, thanks to the large-scale vaccination drive undertaken by the Government of India, which crossed the remarkable milestone of 213 by 4th September 22, the report added. According to Axis Securities, multiple catalysts are triggering renewed excitement in the air. These are, 1. The Indian economy's remarkable resilience in FY23 to date with an uptick visible in most of the high-frequency indicators. 2. The Indian economy's remarkable resilience in FY23 to date with an uptick visible in most of the high-frequency indicators. 3. Improvements in urban demand with rural demand, 2, are on the verge of improvement as normal monsoon is reviving confidence in demand recovery in rural India. 4. Fully functioning contact-intensive services sectors such as travel and tourism, hotels, schools, and colleges post-COVID 3.0. In addition, all public transport systems like air, rail, and bus are also now fully operational, supporting fast and resilient recovery in economic activities. 5. Remittances, major contributors to rural income, are likely to return to pre-COVID levels with the pickup in the services sectors. 6. Easing supply chain conditions and cool-off in commodity prices, providing a breather from high inflation. In this context, the market narrative has shifted from inflation concern to a cool-off in inflation expectation in the next 1 or 2 quarters. Based on the above themes, Axis Securities note said, "We recommend the following stocks that are well placed to be the beneficiaries of robust festival demand: Maruti, Bajaj Finance, SBI Cards, Trent, Relaxo, V-Mart." These 6 stocks are seen as long-term wealth creators. Axis Securities' time horizon for these stocks is 6 to 9 months. These 6 stocks are top picks of Axis Securities in festival season. Maruti Suzuki on BSE. Maruti Suzuki shares ended at 8,945 rupees and 70 paise a piece, up by 158 rupees and 5 paise or 1.80% on Friday. The company's market cap is around 270,231.76 crore. In a year, the shares have risen by at least 31.5%. The shares were around 6,801 rupees apiece on September 9 last year. Its sales climbed by 50.52% to 25,286.3 crore. Revenue from operations came at 26,499.8 crore, up 49% for the quarter under review, however, down 0.8% CAC. For the June 2022 quarter, the company posted a net profit of 1,012.8 crore, rising by 129.76% compared to 441 crore in the corresponding quarter last year. Axis Securities has given a buy rating with a target price of 9,801 rupees apiece on the stock. Bajaj Finance on Friday, the NBFC's shares closed at 7,183 rupees and 55 paise apiece, down by 74 rupees and 45 paise or 1.03% on BSE. The company's market cap is around 434,913.12 crore. Bajaj Finance shares have witnessed a volatile year and its performance has been slightly lower by a little over 3% compared to September 9 last year's level. However, the shares have recovered strongly in the last 3 months, with gains of nearly 22%. Bajaj Finance witnessed a strong June 2022, Q1 FY23, quarter with net profit rising by a whopping 159% to 2,596 crore compared to 1,002 crore in the same quarter last year. Net interest income, NII, climbed by 48% to 6,638 crore in the quarter under review from 4,489 crore in Q1 FY22. During Q1 FY23, new loans booked jumped by 60% to 7.42 million as against 4.63 million in Q1 FY22. Axis Securities set a target price of 8,250 rupees apiece on the stock. SBI Cards and Payment Services on BSE, SBI Card shares closed at 943 rupees and 60 paise apiece, down by 1.69% on Friday. The NBFC's market cap is around 89,011.67 crore. Although the stock has dipped nearly 15% in a year. However, in the past 3 months this year, the shares have made a robust recovery and picked up by over 22%. During Q1 FY23, SBI Card registered a growth of 105.80% in net profit to 626.91 crore compared to 304.61 crore in the same quarter last year. Revenue from operations stood at 3,100 crore in Q1 FY23, rising by 31% YoY and 9% QoQ. Interest income came in at 1,387 crore in Q1 of this fiscal, climbing by 20% YoY and 10% QoQ. Axis Securities has given a target price of 1,050 rupees apiece. Trent on BSE, Trent shares closed at 1,379 rupees and 35 paise apiece, lower by 1.98%. The company's market cap is around 49,034.16 crore. In a year, the shares have climbed by nearly 35%. In the first quarter of FY23, the company registered a consolidated net profit of 114.93 crore against a loss of 138.29 crore in the same period last year. Revenue from operations was at 1,803.15 crore, strongly up from 491.99 crore in Q1 FY22. Axis Securities has given a target price of 1,530 rupees apiece on the stock. Relaxo Footwears on BSE, Relaxo Footwear's shares closed at 1,012 rupees and 90 paise apiece, marginally up on Friday. The company's market cap is around 25,213.72 crore. In the last 3 months, the shares have gained nearly 3%. During Q1 FY23, the company posted a net profit of 38.67 crore versus 30.96 crore in Q1 FY22. Revenue from operations was at 667.15 crore, higher than 497.13 crore witnessed in Q1 FY22. Axis Securities has given a target price of 1,120 rupees apiece on the stock. V-Mart on BSE, V-Mart shares have closed at 2,904 rupees and 30 paise apiece, up by 8 rupees and 35 paise or 0.29% on Friday. The company's market cap is around 5,741.33 crore. In Q1 FY23, the company posted a net profit of 20.45 crore against a loss of 28.71 crore in Q1 FY22. Revenue from operations stood at 587.88 crore in Q1 FY23 against 177.41 crore in Q1 of FY22. Axis Securities has given a target price of 3,350 rupees apiece on the stock. 350 rupees a